Man, I made a video a little while ago and I have to laugh, man. I had to I had to check out 10 meters because I saw on spaceweather.com earlier that they had reported that 3 CMEs whacked us in a row, pretty much splitting our geomagnetic field in half. And then they went on to say that no geomagnetic disturbances were expected to result. Really? That's like saying, yeah, I got leukemia today, but I don't expect to be feeling worse anytime soon. Are you kidding? Man, hang on. Check out the DX maps of hits on 10 meters right now. Look at that, man. That's a hallmark of a geomagnetic event. Hang on, man. And here's my logger, the little window that reports solar data in my logger. And while spaceweather.com's reporting nothing significant going on, really, the A index is elevated. The 3-hour K index is going through the roof. The solar flux number has jumped from 78 this morning to 84 in a matter of hours. Sunspot number 36, solar activity quiet. Yeah, okay, it's quiet on the sun, but what about what's happening on our Earth? Geomagnetic field, major storm. Yeah, no kidding, right? SpaceWeather.com is a grin, man. They're a bunch of clowns. And I know, because I'm a clown. I'm a poet clown. I'm Blowzo, the humble ham. And I know more about. Sometimes it feels like I know more about solar dynamics than spaceweather.com. And I'm a clown. I'm a effing clown. 73. I realized, for me, this is real ham radio. Oh, you can hear a little chatter. But I've had that radio on, just listening to white noise, for the last hour while sitting at the desk here. And you might think that crazy, but I'd rather do that than do anything with FT-8. I'd rather listen to white noise for an hour than do anything with FT-8 because I'm sitting here at the desk doing other things, right? And listening to white noise and thinking about the geomagnetic storm we're having. And bang, out of nowhere, you are 5'9", 5'9", 5'9"er in San, and he was gone after the word San. You are 5'9", 5'9"er, 5'9"er in San. Ooh, I like that. Man, I find that fascinating to no end. That wherever the heck he is, he's transmitting, and a little cloud of ionized gas passed between he and I, probably halfway between us, and his signal bounced off it and landed upon the Michigan cacti, and out of nowhere he was 20 dB over 9 and gone. Ha ha ha. I like that. I like that a lot. That's real ham radio to me, man. Man, that's some screen glare. I can't get rid of it. Where's it coming from? Hang on. Look at this. I'm raising my phone. I've got pinholes. I've got little laser beams of sunlight coming through the shade. Hang on, damn it. What's a clown gotta do to make a video around?